What's up, guys? Welcome back to another daily vlog. It is actually like, what time is it? It is like 1:30 right now. I'm in my workout attire because usually the first thing I do is I wake up, eat a little something, and go to the gym. But I am like in a bit of a funk today. You're just getting those moods or just like, and I don't know, and I feel like I always post when I'm happy, I always vlog like in good mood and stuff like that. So I just want to share the real. Like, I've been training regularly, I've been eating pretty good, and I know my body's changing and I feel good most of the time, but today is just one of those days where I just don't feel great. But I don't want to like sit in the house and like sulk or anything, and I want to like get up and move and do something. So I just decided, let's just pick up the camera and let's just see what happens. A wig put in yesterday and she like slayed me. This is my first time actually getting like a wig professionally put in. I usually be doing it myself and I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, it looks a mess right now. But I mean, I got this sweatband on because I was supposed to go to the gym a long time ago, but I'll show you the wig later because she killed it, okay? And it's long. I wanted nice long hair for the 4th of July because we are going to LA. I'm really excited about it. Get to go see my friends. I think that's another thing. Just been out here in Denver. I know nobody. So, it gets a little lonely. I gotta get my workout in, and I need to take a picture for Instagram. And since my hair is all cute, maybe, when you get dressed, put on a little makeup, put on a cute outfit, you feel a little better, So we're gonna try to do that today. Let's go to the gym. I already ate this morning. I just had some vegan sausage, 2 slices of toast, and 2 eggs. So have a good day today. We're gonna have a good day today. Oh, let me show you what I'm wearing. The Yvette Sports leggings. These are literally some of my favorite leggings. And super cheap, but I just like that they're just like that second skin. And then I just have like this old Nike Sports bra. Like, she is not even white anymore, okay? And the little logo is just like peeling off. And yeah, and I gotta go put some shoes on. Just got my little slippers on, but so I am back from the gym and I already feel like 1,000 times better. Nothing that a good gym session cannot fix for me. Personally, it's just like my therapy, just go clear my mind. So don't mind me, I'm like in my closet right now because I'm about to pick out an outfit to take some pictures in. But look what I just got in the mail. I just got a new handbag, so the day is already getting better. Got a good workout in and I just got a new bag. Now, if you haven't heard of Teddy Blake, they are a luxury handbag company based out of New York, and they make high quality luxury bags out in Italy, and it's handmade out of Italian leather. Show you what she's looking like. It comes in this super nice box. Here it is. Teddy Blake, New York. Designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. And this is how it comes packaged. This wrap. All right, then it comes with a little dust bag. And then inside, let me show you. Oh my gosh, look how cute she is. with the gold detailing. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Okay, let me put, so their designers work in the same factories as other well-known luxury brands, so they're producing the same quality, if not better, but at a fraction of the cost. It's not going to cost you an arm and a leg to get one of their bags. Here she is. So it comes with a strap as well, so I can either hold it here or I can put the strap on and make it like crossbody. And then inside we just have the paper, which I'm gonna take out. But it's so much room in here, like so much room in this bag. The craftsmanship, the construction, the design on this bag, and it's like super durable. So I know this bag is gonna last me a very long time. So let me see up close. Hold on, if you check out their website, they have so many like cute and unique designs. Now I fell in love with the Luna bag. I needed something, I needed like a neutral bag or something that I can wear all the time. Now, if you watch my hauls, you know that I am a neutral tone girl. I'm not big on color. So, but I didn't have a white bag. All my bags are black. And so I needed something I can wear with like my lighter tones. You know, it's summertime and I like getting pieces that I can wear all the time. Like, I'm not one of those who just gets a piece just so it can just chill in my closet. So I know with this bag I can wear with so many different looks. I'm gonna be taking pictures with her today because I need a cute picture for Instagram. So we're gonna shower, we're gonna get dressed, we're gonna get cute, and then we're gonna go take some pictures. This is what we're going with. I did not want my hair curled. I just kind of wanted it just like a natural wave, but I wanted it somewhat organized and not just like chaotic and all over the place. So I just did like a slight little curl and then brushed it out. All right, so now we gotta go find a little outfit to go in my bag. I'm trying to figure out, I think I might wear one of the outfits in the new Zara haul I just did. Okay, editing Keisha here. Y'all, do not come for me in my makeup. I promise you, in this video, it looks crazy because of my apartment yellow lighting, but it actually matches in person, which you can see in my vanity clip and in the pictures that I'm gonna upload. But in some of these clips, my makeup is not matching my body. I don't know, I'm gonna go look through my closet. So I think I'm gonna go with this top, and I just put on this little stacked gold jewelry. I have my boyfriend shorts on. You're not gonna see the shorts in the picture anyway because I wanna be up and close. So I think I'm gonna go with this, but I need to put something on my lips. So I'm just probably gonna just do a nude lip. So just like a brown lip liner with like a little natural nude, maybe a little gloss. And then we're gonna take picture number 1, and then I'm gonna put on an actual outfit and then go and take picture number 2.
In the morning, you got me up all cause you need to talk. To 4 in the evening, wanna break up, say that you've had enough. I'm tired of talking again and again, argue about everything.
Picture number 1 down. Now let's go switch it up and actually put a real outfit on. And put on this white jumpsuit that I got from J-Lux a while ago, and it's just been sitting in my closet and I've never worn this. So we're gonna go with like an all white moment with my Teddy Lake bag. Let me go ahead and take the tag off though. Popped on just a simple gold necklace, and I have my gold JBW watch, just so I can pair it well with the gold detailing on the bag. Now I'm trying to see if I think I'm gonna take the strap off. I think with this look, I think just like a a cute little moment would be good. And then I just have on some nude clear heels. Just little, my toes are not it, but yeah, this is the look. And I also just like flip the hair to the side, since I just did like the little whole middle part thing.
You are my darling, this kiss and makeup, I know you wanna touch. You call me every night, call me every day, I just wanna get you alone now. Trust me when I say, we gon' be okay.
The pictures are so cute, but for some reason they're turning out super blurry, so I might turn on the flash or try to find a new spot. I don't know, it like looks grainy, it's so weird. Instead of doing the front facing camera, I'm gonna try the back, and then maybe they'll come out a little bit better and clear and clean. Okay, I think we have to do flash. Ugh, that means it's gonna take longer.
We just gotta boom bada boom ba. I don't wanna fight, you know that I'm right. Baby, let me talk to your body. We gon' be okay, hear me when I say, if you need me, I'm gonna be by your side. If you want me, I'm gonna be there, alright. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way.
Alright, I am back. Of course my phone dies right at the end, or my camera dies, but I got the shot. We got some pics. I'll insert them so you can see everything that I took today. But I think I'm gonna head to the store. I want to cook dinner tonight, so I'm trying to figure out what can I cook. That's how much fits in this bag, okay? See it? See here? Got my phone, got my keys, got sunglasses here. Then we got lip gloss, lip liner, wallet, headphones, and I take my Bluetooth clicker everywhere just in case. And look at this. There's still room in here. Like, what? Like, I just really can't believe how much fits in this little bag. But I'm gonna go run to the store. I haven't done a recipe video in a while, so we're gonna cook with Keisha tonight. I'm back, and I figured out what we are making tonight. I just always want Asian food, okay? And tonight we are going with Chinese, and I want some orange chicken and fried rice. But, you know, since we're trying to keep it cute and semi-healthy, it's just always better to cook it yourself at home. So we are going to make some fried rice and some orange chicken. All right, I got some chicken breast here. We are gonna wash this and then chop it up into some little bite-sized pieces.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turning to morning dew, then you let's face key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know.
Right, so this is what we are working with. Got my orange chicken and my fried rice. Now, obviously, this is like the healthier version, considering I didn't deep fry it and made an air fryer. Also, they're not super crispy because of that, but you know, I guess it's gonna get the job done. And I'm gonna have this with a diet Dr. Pepper, and then we're gonna call it a night. That pretty much wraps up this random daily vlog, like most of my days are. But thank you so much for tuning in. To hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below. Hit that post notification bell so you know when I'm posting. And of course, if you're watching my videos, why aren't you subscribed? Okay, subscribe. Okay, good night.